How to find my Facebook Messenger link. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily find my Facebook Messenger link. But before we get started, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel. Now, without any further ado, let us jump right into the video. First thing you're going to have to do is open up your Facebook Messenger app and make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you are logged in, you have different options at the bottom of your screen. You have your chat option, you have your storage, and then you finally have the menu account. Once you head over to the menu tab, just tap on the settings icon right on top, right below your profile, and it will take you directly to your settings menu. And once landed on the settings page, you're going to have to scroll down until you find this profile section where there is an option for usernames. Just tap on it and it will show you your username right here. And if you haven't set any username, it will show you a list of random numbers, which is your user ID. So what you're going to have to do is tap on edit username if you want to change it, or if you just want to copy the link, you can just tap on it and copy a link from here. And if you paste it wherever you want, you can just go ahead and paste it like this, and it will show you they will be able to message you via this link. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next video.